Yeah, I think so.
This is gonna be great. Yeah. I just hope he doesn't find out.
Yeah.
Ooh, Tim.
Shh. Come in.
I can't believe you guys remember.
Hey, we wouldn't forget your birthday. Come on.
I thought you were black.
So how does it feel to be pushing the big 2000?
We all chipped in and got you a gift.
Oh, you shouldn't have done that. Oh. Hey, the new Smashing Pumpkin CD.
Those guys rock.
Hey, but that's not all, Mr. Savior. We also got you a piñata.
You guys are too much.
Now, because it's your birthday, you get to go first. Now, Mary, the blindfold, please.
Okay. Remember, Jesus, no cheating.
Don't you know, Mary? I see all, with or without the blindfold.
1, 2, 3. Yeah!
Look out, Jesus got a stick.
We're gonna start the show before somebody gets hurt.
Ah!